Hey guys, this is EKEV23. This is my first video on YouTube, and I just received two new models. I just started to collect Gemini Jets models. I have a couple here and a couple there that I started collecting, and today I received two new ones. I hoping that this new one here, the bottom one, it's the Airbus A380-800 by Emirates, and this one here, I'm hoping that it's the British Airways 777-236ER, but we'll see. Well, actually, my guess was wrong. The small box was the Airbus 380/800, and I'm pretty excited about this one. Well, now let's get to the other one. Looks like this description here. And here is an old model. It's an old model, however it's new, it's brand new, but it's an old model. It's the British 777/200ER, and it's pretty nice. I like it. I'm pretty excited to add this to my airport. I haven't really built an airport or bought an airport. I'm thinking of making my own airport, starting from scratch, and we'll see how that goes.